Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a game-changing approach for manufacturers, how to turn what was once seen as waste into real profit. With rising raw material prices, efficiency is no longer optional. It's a necessity. And that's where Odoo 2025 steps in. This latest upgrade to Odoo's MRP module offers powerful tools to track, categorize, and reuse manufacturing scrap, boosting both profitability and sustainability. So, if you're a manufacturer looking to optimize your bottom line while staying eco-compliant, stick around. Let's get into it. Did you know that efficient scrap reuse can improve your margins by 3% to 7% annually? That's according to the latest 2025 industry trend data. Odoo enables what we call closed-loop manufacturing, where nothing is wasted. Reuse reduces raw material purchases. You get better visibility into operations and inventory. Forecasting becomes smarter. And yes, your sustainability reports practically write themselves. Beyond cost savings, this positions your brand as a leader in environmental responsibility. Let's break it down. Here's how to set up scrap tracking in Odoo 2025. Activate scrap locations in inventory settings. For example, usable scrap and non-usable scrap. Configure your BOMs to include expected scrap factors. Enable real-time recording via the Odoo Work Orders interface. And most importantly, log key details: type, reason, quantity, and location of scrap. Segregating scrap this way improves traceability, costing accuracy, and responsiveness for reusing or discarding materials. Now that tracking is in place, let's talk about reuse. You can go manual, moving scrap internally via warehouse teams, or automate the process using rule-based movements in Odoo Enterprise. Rework orders allow defective items to be reprocessed. To reflect the value of recovered materials, use Odoo's landed costs tool. And when it comes to analysis, the new dashboards show scrap rates by product, operator, and line, plus root cause insights and material cost impacts to fuel continuous improvement. As you can see, Odoo 2025 doesn't just help you manage scrap, it helps you monetize it. You'll boost margins, improve production visibility, and stay ahead on ESG compliance. So here's your next step. Book your free consultation with our Odoo experts today. Let us tailor a scrap reuse workflow that fits your business needs and unlocks hidden value in your operations. Don't let waste go to waste. Transform it into strategy with Odoo 2025. Link in description. Thank you.